When the weather turns warm, gnats will swarm. But there are plenty of ways you can repel or trap them and keep them from coming back. Let's check out how. To get rid of an already existing problem, try making your own traps or purchasing repellents, or even a combo of both. First, we'll make a vinegar trap. This requires a mason jar, a pointed tool like a nail, and apple cider vinegar. Get started by using the nail to poke some small holes in the lid of the jar. Next, fill the jar halfway with vinegar. Then place it where the gnats are heavily concentrated. When they start to fill the trap, pour the contents into a plastic bag, seal it, and throw it away. Wash the jar with hot water and soap, then repeat the process until the gnats are gone. You can also make a wine trap by combining red wine and lemon dish soap in a container and leaving it open on your counter, then disposing of it the same way. A few other affordable options include Nat Spray and sticky paper traps. Sprays are ideal for killing gnats on contact. And while sticky traps may take a little longer to work, they're usually best used alongside one or more of the treatments we've covered. It's also important to treat the outside of your home to stop gnats from coming inside. Set out larger versions of vinegar traps in gardens and around water features. Spread liquid insecticide around the perimeter of your yard and your home's foundation. Use sodium bulbs in outdoor light fixtures, and improve the drainage in your garden soil. You should take a number of preventative steps to help keep your treatment methods as effective as possible. Make sure all window and foundation cracks are sealed, and patch any rips in your screens. Cover food and keep your kitchen, sinks, and drains clean, repairing any leaks. Lastly, take trash out daily and store bins and compost containers at least 15 feet away from entrances. Follow these simple steps to get gnats out of your hair and your home. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.